Hello everyone, welcome back once again to VIEH Jobs series. Today we are having a couple of more opportunities for you in the field of IT, especially focusing on cybersecurity. So the company name is Sculptsoft Private Limited, which is situated in Ahmedabad. So let's see around what are the jobs that you can apply here. So first the job is senior Python engineer. 4 plus years of experience would be with you for applying of this job. Another opening is mid-level iOS developer. You should have 2 to 3 years of experience. For senior Python engineer, there is only one opening. For mid-level iOS developer, there is only one opening. Third option is senior xamarin. You should have 3 to 5 years of experience for that. One opening is there. Fourth opening is mid-level Android developer. 2 to 3 years of experience would be there. One opening is again with fourth number. One opening is there for mid-level Python engineer. 2 to 4 years of experience would be with you. Sixth one is the Jamarian developer. 2 to 3 years of experience should be with you, and one opening is there. React.js developer. You should have 1.5 to 3 years of experience with you. One opening. And last one is the senior data analyst. For that, you should have experience of minimum 3 to 6 years of experience. And there is again one opening. So for all those opening, there is one opening for each. Now, where is the job situated? The location is Ahmedabad. Mode is hybrid mode for this job. I think this is quite good. Now, how to apply for this job? For that, you need to drop your CV, your information, whatever you would like to share. Just drop your well-crafted CV, resume to kunal@sculptsoft.com, kunal@sculptsoft.com. So that's all for today. I hope if this is fit for you, you can apply there and hopefully you'll get a job. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.